All right, folks, we have a new Hermes feature that is super useful for day-to-day use. This is the skill bundles, and the idea here is very simple. Instead of invoking one skill at a time for a particular workflow, what you can do now is you can save a combination of skills for that workflow and load them with one / command. This makes so much more sense because, as we all know, different workflows require different sets of skills. And because AI agents are probabilistic, you cannot assume that they are using all of the skills that you need them to use to finish that task. So how it looks like is after you make your Hermes update, what you can do now is run /bundles here. And you can create one with Hermes bundles create, and then you give the name of your workflow. So maybe for the research workflow, you put research here, and then you pick the skills you need for that research. So in this video, we're going to explain how skill bundles work and how you can use that to your advantage to better improve your workflows. All right, let's start off with why we need skill bundles. So most of us, when we do a particular type of workflow, the usual process here is we'd invoke one skill at a time for one subtask. So let's say one task is made up of 5 subtasks. So that means you have to invoke 5 skills, right? So that takes quite a lot of time, and that kind of eats up into your context window. And on the busy days or on days you feel lazy, what often happens, this is especially for me, is you type everything in one prompt in natural language. And as a result, the agent can behave quite differently, or the results might feel inconsistent. This is because AI agents are probabilistic in nature. You cannot assume that they know all of the skills you want them to use to finish those tasks. They might leave out 2, 3 skills out of the 5 skills that you need them to finish that task. So basically, skill bundles is a way to fix that by giving you a named set of skills behind the /bundles command. So in plain language, the bundle basically says, when I type this / command, load these skills together, right? Hermes stores those skill bundles as a tiny YAML file under your .hermes skill bundles directory. So if you already made the update, but you didn't make a skill bundles yet, it's not here in your .hermes directory. But once you make your first skill bundles, you should have access to your skill bundles. It will be created for you. So this is roughly what your YAML file looks like, your skill bundles, the name of the workflow, and that would become the / command. So if your workflow is backend dev, then when you make the skill bundles for that, you can just run /backend dev. And then you get to decide how many skills you need for that workflow. So let's say you need GitHub code review, test-driven development, GitHub PR workflow. These are the skills needed for that bundle. And lastly, the instruction is where you bake in your house rules. So it's sort of like a mini agents.md. So you don't have to type that context over and over whenever you invoke this skill bundle. So a good way from here is to go to your Hermes dashboard. You go to skills, and then, depending on how many workflows you have, you can combine the skills you need for that bundle. Too bad they don't have the drag and drop for making the skill bundles with the skills on the dashboard, but I think they're going to have that in the next Hermes update because that's such a useful feature to have instead of having to run the command and make the bundles yourself. So that's one way you can go about it, but another way is you can also just consult with your Hermes agent, ask, what is the best skills that we need to be bundled together. So let's say suggest which skills we need to bundle for a general research workflow. All right, so my Hermes took a look at its skills, and the assessment is pretty large just for a general research workflow. There's even 4 phases, 4 skills for discovery, 3 skills for extraction, 3 skills for organization, 3 skills for analysis, and 5 skills for output. But the recommendation here is to create one umbrella skill. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take the official documentation and say, can you create a skill bundles for this so I can load them up with /command whenever I need general research. Take a look at the skill bundles documentation and create it accordingly. There. Okay, so that's usually how I interact with my Hermes agent. I feed them the official documentation of Hermes agent. I don't assume that they know what it is. So I'm now more at ease because it's going through the official guide from the news research team. And on a side note here, you might notice that I'm using DeepSeek V4 Pro, but the context window is not 1 million. I think this is a bug with my setup because whenever I switch model, it keeps the context window of my previously used model, which is Kimi 2.6. So I think it is hard-coded in my config file, so I'll have to take a look at that. All right, that's what you want to see. Preparing terminal, and I want to see Hermes bundles create. There we go. Oh, it just showed up very briefly. So it's good to see that my Hermes understands the proper way to do it. It created the skill bundles folder in my .hermes directory. There we go. All right, so it created 2 bundles, which is very impressive because I only needed like a general research skill bundles, but it also considered the fact that if you need quick research, lightweight, you can use this one instead. Tells me how to use it too, which is great. Both are at .hermes skill bundles, so this is the first thing you want to check. So there, skill bundles. There we go, in YAML file. So I want to take a look at the YAML file. All right, there we have it. We have the name, we have the skills, description, instruction, general rules, exactly how it is explained in the official documentation here. So the description part is optional, right? So it's pretty good to have that as well. Instructions also optional, but the core is name and skills. All right, so let's give it a test run. /research, find out why Hyperliquid token is pumping hard. There we go. All right, so the user has invoked, this is the system message. User has invoked the research skill bundle. There we go. Treat every skill below as active guidance for this turn. All right, good. So that's what you want to see. Instead of having to invoke one skill at a time, so they're all bundled together, and the agent knows exactly which skill to use depending on where it is in the task. But what I want to know here is it adaptive? Like, are the skills running sequentially? So let's say the first skill gets invoked first, no matter what, then the second skill, third skill, so on. Can it be in different orders? That's what I want to know. So far in the documentation, I don't see any mentions that it is an adaptive. But in any case, I think that's why it's very important to consult with your Hermes agent first. Let them figure out the flow that they need for the workflow, and then they will arrange it according to the order. While we're waiting for the research report, a couple of things you need to know as well is that you can also manage the bundles from the Hermes CLI, just like we've briefly shown you with the create. But what you can also do is you can have the skills, the list to see how many bundles you have. You can also pick up manual edits with the bundles reload. So you can do it manually yourself, or you can do what I just did. Is just consult with your Hermes and then get them to do it, right? So take advantage of that self-improvement loop. And lastly, some simple rules for making good bundles. It's all about being intentional. So you saw how I consult with my agent first. That way we're both on the same page. And then once they spit out their implementation plan, I have a review at it. And if it looks good, then we go for it. If it doesn't look good, then we can keep working on there, right? Only include skills you want for that one particular workflow. Use the instruction field to capture your habits and conventions. So Hermes does the right thing by default. So it's sort of like a mini agents.md. And lastly, if you're working with a team and you want to share those skill bundles, what you can do is you can commit the bundle files into your dot files or a shared repo. All right, there we go. We got the report, full picture on why Hyperliquid is pumping. Yes, it's 56.57. Feels bad, man. I bought at 32, sold at $40, and it's just going without me. All right, so it looks very, very well researched, actually. Yes, it is a buyback engine. All right, there you have it. So that's one way you can go about creating the skill bundles. If you find this video helpful, smash up that like button. We'd really appreciate it. Subscribe to our channel for more updates and guides. My name is Ron. Shining out.